What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Nicole and I make videos plus size fashion related, makeup related. We do vlogs. I say we because whenever I go traveling with my fiance, we always do a travel vlog. I just do a little bit of everything. Got some lifestyle stuff coming up. I am getting married next month, you guys. It is a month away. Terrifying, terrifying. I'm getting married next month, so there's been a good amount of bridal content and there will be more to come. So if any of this stuff sounds interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe. I also have an Instagram where I post a little more regularly, so if you guys want to follow me there as well, that will be linked below. Today's video is a Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul, but more specifically, a fall haul. Fashion Nova has some super, super cute, why are my eyes closed? Super cute. I can't even take myself seriously. I can't. All right, start again. Fashion Nova has some super cute fall pieces that I was just dying to get my mitts on. So I have all of the items here and I can't wait to share with you guys. As always, my height, my weight, my measurements are all listed below. That is to help you guys when ordering if you guys want to kind of compare body shape, sizes, whatever. I always find that to be helpful when I place an order. So all of that is linked below, as well as every single item that I talk about today. So all the good stuff, always linked below. Don't forget to check it out. Without further ado, let's get into this try-on haul. So the first item I picked up, I was probably the most excited about, and now I'm just super bummed because they just don't fit. It's like, what's up with this? They are green, like how pretty. Green, they're almost like, I guess like carpenter looking pants, but I feel like they're not as like manly looking, like they're still feminine looking. When I saw this on the model, I was like, oh, I really need. I ordered them in a size 18. The problem is the jean part themselves like does not stretch. So only the waist has stretch. So they unfortunately did not fit me. I think if I went up to a size 20, it would have fit, but here they are. I will also pop up a picture of what they looked like on the model if it is still on the website. You guys, so cute. This color is everything. I was planning on wearing it with a bodysuit and like some Air Forces. Stop, just stop. But they didn't fit. So if they do have a size 20, I think I'm gonna hop on the site and order them because I just need these for the fall time. I'm really trying to branch out of just wearing black pants. I wear black pants every day, every day. I branched out a little bit and have started to wear like jeans more regularly, but I feel as though I just want some different colors. I'm not a huge fan of like colored pants. We're really going on a rant here. I'm not a huge fan of colored pants. However, there are a couple colors I feel like I could pull off. So this was one of them until they didn't fit. Oh, so sad. All right, the next item I got is a sweater, and this was probably my second favorite thing in this haul. It's so pretty. It looks real crazy right now, really crazy, but you can wear this off the shoulder or just like a regular sweater. It has this really pretty like wrap top part with scalloped edges. I am just obsessed with this color. I mean, as you guys can tell, I'm literally wearing this crop top polo in the same color. This is just my go-to fall color. So I got it in a 2X. It is very stretchy. I just love everything about it. I thought the fit was great. I did post myself wearing this on Instagram in just like a little short video, so I will pop that up here as well. I'm telling you guys get the first sneak peeks on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. But this is just everything. I picked up this cropped sweater, but I don't know why I got it in a 1X. Usually I'm a 2X, so it fit, but I feel like it showed a little too much cleave because this was pulling. So if I could place an order again, I would get a 2X. I love the color. Once again, it's that like rust, like orange. This is almost like orangey, like mustard yellow. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's that rusty orange and white, and it has 3 buttons, and it's just supposed to be like a cute little cropped fall sweater. Love it. I love it. I'll probably still wear it. I think I'm gonna start like putting a little stitch here on my clothes that go a little too low. I mean, that would just solve all of my problems. I can just get them all out, sew them all at one time, and be done with it. So absolutely love this sweater. Alrighty, then we got a flannel, and this one is fun, let me tell you. We have so many different patterns going on. On this sleeve, we have white and black. The back is all like a red flannel. And then this side panel and sleeve is a navy blue and yellow. I just love mismatched prints like this, especially for flannels. I know I got a couple last fall and they were my staple pieces, like go-to pieces just to throw on some jeans, like a cami or something, and then throw a flannel on over it. Absolutely adore. So I got this in a 2X. It's not stretchy because it's that typical flannel material, and I just love it. This next top was maybe a fail. I'm not even sure, honestly. It's not really like, I don't look at it and think, oh, that's for sure fall. Like, that's not my thought process at all. However, I thought it would be cute paired with some really high-waisted jeans, and then like a cardigan on over it. It's just like a little collared button-up cropped black, completely see-through crop top. It's like, where was I going with that? I just kept going. I got it in a 3X. Thank God I did. I knew to size up because it's just little. It's very little. I absolutely don't hate it. I just think maybe paired, like I said, with maybe a cute like black bralette, pair of high-waisted even black jeans, just all black, and then a cardigan, maybe even like the next cardigan I'm about to show you guys. I don't know, I think I can make it work. I do love a good see-through mesh top, so we'll make it work. So here's that next cardigan I was telling you guys about. I picked it up in a 1X. I tend to either get my correct size or size down when picking a cardigan like this because I just don't want to be swimming in it. So I got a 1X and I thought it was like the perfect fit. It is that rust orange color. It is a long line cardigan, super long, love that. Has pockets on both sides and buttons going down the front. This is gonna be for sure something I wear all the time to work. I just know it. For those of you who don't know, I am a teacher, so fall fashion when it comes to being a teacher is just the best because you're covered up, but you can just, I don't know what it is. It's just the best. Yeah, so this is that, and it is so soft. It is so freaking soft. I'm not sure if they have these in other colors. I want to say they did, but I just love it. We're gonna talk about some of my new favorite jeans. They're colored jeans, but they are brown. Let me button them up. They are brown skinny jeans that are so wrinkled because I wore them. They do have some distressing on both legs, and also the bottom of the pants have like a really distressed. Today just wasn't the day to film, was it? A distressed bottom, very frayed. Love these so much. Now, I got these in an 18 as well, but they are stretchy and they were almost a little too loose. So keep that in mind. But I think they'll be perfect once I wash and dry them. So I wore these yesterday, or day before yesterday, out with some friends, and I just loved it. I wore it with a white bodysuit. I posted a picture on Instagram. Actually, I'll post some pictures here, just so you guys can kind of get an idea of what it looked like. But huge fan, very stretchy, very comfortable. And like I said, I got them in an 18. Okay, so the next pair of jeans I got are just dark wash jeans with distressing on the knee. And I love bottoms of pants that look like this, like super frayed and like jagged edges. I just love it. These I got in a 2X, and I will say they fit, they buttoned, they are comfortable if I'm like walking. They're very stretchy, but I just feel like they're not either high-waisted enough or they're just a little bit too small. I feel like if I got it in a bigger size, it would be more high-waisted, but then I wouldn't want the jeans to be too big. So I'm just in a weird spot right now with my sizing. Besides that, besides it being just slightly a little too snug, they are so comfortable and adorable. Like I said, I love jeans with distressing like this, so highly recommend, and they are very affordable. I got some black jeans with just a single slit at the knee. It's not super distressed or anything. There's literally just a slit on both knees. And once again, got these in a 2X. Now these were amazing, super stretchy. They were like high-waisted like I like them, and probably one of the most comfortable jeans ever. Absolutely love it. I know I still have the tag on it because I packed them. I tried them on, walked around in them, so comfortable, and then I packed them to go to Sacramento this past weekend, and then didn't end up wearing them out. However, I wore them around over the weekend when I tried them on, and right before this video, obviously for the try-on portion. So comfortable. When I tried them on though, I was like, why am I wet right now? Like soaking wet. A water bottle spilled in my suitcase and got my jeans wet. So yeah, super stretchy. Got them in a 2X. Love these. All right, the last item I got is another fan fave. This is a cardigan, but it's more of a like professional looking cardigan. I feel like you just look so put together with jeans, maybe a black cami, and then throw this on over it, and I'm set for work. It's appropriate. Like I said, it looks a little more like dressy, if you will, than just like say that other cardigan I was showing you guys. But it is this really pretty light tan color, and it is just so well made. Like you can feel that it is such good quality. It also has an optional belt on the back with an actual like belt clip looking thing. Belt buckle, I think is the word I was looking for. I got this in a 1X. Once again, I sized down. I'm glad I did. I think it's just perfect. I like wearing my cardigans open. Like I would never, I don't think, use that belt portion. So I got a 1X and I think it's absolutely perfect. So that was it for this Fashion Nova fall haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, all of these items are linked below if you guys are interested in them. I don't have a coupon code or anything for Fashion Nova, but I think they're always running sales. So definitely check that out before you buy. Also, again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.